Go there, go there, go there.
Wow, this what we doing now around sucking toes on a boat? Wow, ain't you supposed to be at work? How dumb are you? Wow.
Ah, ooh, she.
What the hell? What the hell is going on here? Where all these cameras come from?
Hi, you're on the hit show
Busted.
where we catch people in the act of committing adultery.
Of course, it's adultery. We not all adults. Kakafat.
Bah, bitch. You on your own.
Wow, you ain't getting away that easy, Ron. How dumb are you?
So, how do you feel playing a part in breaking them up?
But wait there, you married?
Very. But what that have to do with anything?
You will see.
Now I see why you get the people them man.
Exactly.